And welcome back once again. My name is James Henderson, coming to you live from the place where it all got started with the high-frequency trading firm, MalairteBitcoin.com. What does Malairte mean? Malairte means exchange in Gaelic. So for all my Irish friends and cousins down in Cork, welcome back. Where have I been? I've been stuck in this office coding another 2 to 3 million lines of code, and I'm so sleep deprived it's not even funny. So, what's going on with the code? What's going on with the bot? Is it ready? Is it secure? And are we ready to start accepting new customers? And the answer is yes to all that. So after testing it, just like Portal 2, we tested and we tested again, and we even tested the testing of the test of the test. So for all those who are wanting about what's going on, well, this is what is happening. Alright? So, brand new website. MalairteBitcoin. It gives you the information that you need. It doesn't look like an engineer wrote it. I had a lot of people praise me on the bot that I wrote. I just had a lot of people saying your website looks like an engineer wrote it. And translation, the website sucks, man. So, we got a creative team in here. We were able to put up something like you see now, and it just gives you the information that you need. And it's up to you whether or not you're interested or not. So what does this high-frequency trading platform do? So, as you know, we buy and sell altcoins 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and with over 100,000 times 100,000 times 100,000 trades that we looked at with our previous bot and other users' information, we were able to come up with something more solid, more secure, more conservative of making money in this up and down market. Alright? So, and also we were able to give a little perks for a lot of people who decided to go ahead and and put in their requests, and I'll show you what it does. So go ahead and start your bot. You want to register. Go up to the very top, click sign up, and then what you're able to do is fill in your name, your information, your email. Trust me, it won't be leaked anyway. We're not. In fact, our database administrator can't even tell whose email address is whose, because I've encrypted this system to where if someone takes the data, all they're going to get is a bunch of jibbery job. Alright? Put in your username or your password, put your password again, make sure you got it right, and then for your referral email, if you get referred from a friend, they'll receive Malairte coins. What is Malairte coins good for? Well, later on, we're going to start issuing prizes for people who are able to, who referred enough people. So, what are those prizes? We don't know yet. We're still in discussions on it. Some of it's cash reward. That's true. Then click on I'm not a robot. Sign in. And then, so what's new with this bot? Well, as you can tell here, if you click on settings, like the old system, you've got Binance, Bittrex, Cryptopia, Poloniex, and Robinhood. Okay, I'm not a stockbroker, but I don't mind buying and selling some of these stocks that just keep going up and down. Like the 3 Qs. I've made a killing off the Qs. So unfortunately, I don't have it on this system because this is our demo. But like I said, I keep buying and selling the 3 Qs all day long. It's great. It's wonderful. Also, Halliburton's a good stock because it just oscillates. So you want to find those stocks that are just on a parallel floor with zero. But to everything else, let's start making money in Bitcoin. Alright? So the history here, as you can tell, is not up to date because today's the 22nd. You know, unlike here, unlike the Bittrex. So some of these exchanges will release their history 24 to 48 hours later, and some of them are instantaneously, like Bittrex. So so to keep that in mind. Now, so how do I get started? Well, after you signed up, click on Settings. Let's take Bittrex for instance. Let's go ahead and put in your API key and secret key, and you've got 3 new boxes here. What does that mean? Those boxes means you're only allowing the bot to have access to maybe 10 bitcoins if you have 20 bitcoins in your exchange wallet. All right. So if you got 20 there and you only want this bot to execute 10 of them, then that's when you put you put in what you want to be executed. Now, what about if I want all of them? Well, then just go ahead and put a high number, click Update Settings, and then also click on the green to make sure this up here is green, and then click Update, and then you're ready to go. Now on the exchange, once again, we have a couple new input boxes to fill out. What are those input boxes? What do they mean? That kind of stuff. So profit range. Right here we've got 2.8. But let's say, for instance, instead of you want to change all of them, but on the last bot you had to do it manually. Well, up here we have a global feature, and I say I want to put these first 10 altcoins at 3.5. I'll type in 3.5, click somewhere else on the page, and they all move to 3.5. Same thing with the stop loss. Well, the stop loss is actually different, but the stop loss actually has to do it by manually because every altcoin is different. Same, and with the investment group, so you've got 100 bitcoins sitting in your wallet, and you want to change all of them. Oh, you can do that. Tap in one, click somewhere else, they all change to one. Well, that global exchange only changes what you see on the page. Well, then the next question is, how do I see all of them on the page? I click on up here to show, say I want to show 1,000, and now you've got every single one of these. Everything can be shown on one single page. But that's it, folks. And of course, you can click on MalairteBitcoin.com. You get the dashboard that keeps you a heads up of what's going on, a general overview of all your exchanges, which ones are activated, which ones are deactivated, how many trades you got left. We also have it to where we've got some key help features. Also, another major feature is this Google 2FA. Well, how do you get that up and going? Click on the four buttons, or the Google 2FA link. Click Enable 2FA, and of course, as with the other exchanges, take a picture of it with your 2FA Google authentication, and then you're up and running. What else is going on? Also, we have our About section, and of course our services that we'll be providing at a later date. So, for anyone who's interested in world domination, our fees are quite high, but I think we'll be able to make it work. And of course, click back on our corporate website by clicking on the button here. But that's about it, folks. We are extremely excited that we have a working development product for you and everyone else. We are going to have it to where we go on the road to show everyone, and that's about it. So how is this for everyone who's ever having problems with Cryptopia and Binance, that was a tough, some tough coding behind the scenes. So, but we got it to work, and we're excited to start making money. So, from all of us here at MalairteBitcoin.com, we wish you an awesome day, and for the global domination leaders that are interested in our help for world domination, well, just give us a call. We'll be glad to help you out. And that's it. If you want to contact us, just go ahead and click on contact. Scroll down, fill in your name, email, give us a subject, and send us a message. So from all of us at MalairteBitcoin.com, we wish you a happy and great day, happy trading. And if you're not trading 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, then you're just not a trader. Alright, I'm out of here. That was a brief overview of MalairteBitcoin.com's version 2 high frequency trading bot.